All right, folks, this is part 2 to the crackage. All right, we're gonna get this one in.
Here, pop some of it.
Okay, on 3, I want you to breathe in and breathe out. Good one. Okay, breathe in and out. Oh, Jesus, believe us. You hear that, folks? That is absolute revitalization for your nerves to go down your spinal cord. Got that bitch. Breathe in. Got that bitch. One more time. Last time.
Oh, okay.
Get to your side.
Which side?
Either one.
Like this? Like this
Yeah, that's
thing?
cool. That'll work. Okay, all the way on your side.
Like that?
Yeah. Hand back. Alright, breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, there it is. Okay, go ahead. Other side. All the way on your side. Okay. Up.
Yeah.
Perfect. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Ooh,
Got it.
Yep. Hell yeah.
Motherfucking slang. Oh, motherfucking slang.
Like a brand new man.
All right. What do you think of that?
Feel great.
Okay, cool. Would you suggest me to someone's?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, motherfucking slang.
That was probably like a $60 session they got for free. Thank you.
But it doesn't happen to everybody that way. FY. Peace.